बीनू, you'll take care कि मैं देखूं बीबीए वाला आपका जो मीनाक्षी वाला पोर्शन है?
लेट मी सी कैसे, नहीं तो बीच में मैं, क्योंकि अब तो इमीडिएटली अभी तो बताया।
कोई गल नहीं, कोई नहीं,
हाँ
चलो फॉरगेट इट, मैं देख लूंगी, कोई बात नहीं।
हाँ।
ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम।
मैम वॉइस कहाँ चली गई आपकी? अंजना जी एक बार बोलिएगा।
हेलो।
हाँ जी, अभी बीच में वॉइस चली गई थी।
आ रही है अभी आवाज? गुड। Whenever you give a thumbs up, we are good to go. Give me a thumbs up like this and I'll just start.
No.
Participants are 7 अभी तो।
यहाँ वाले पार्टिसिपेंट्स को छोड़ दीजिए मैम, आपको नहीं दिखेंगे, वो लाइव हम लोगों को दिखेंगे, वो आपके साथ बाद में शेयर करेंगे वो एनबीए।
चलो ठीक है, ठीक है। Okay, meeting is now streaming live. Good. Good. Shall I start? Okay. So welcome all of you to this webinar and a digital counseling webinar for your admissions, dear students. It's that time of your lives that you have to choose what you want to do in your life. So it may be a lockdown everywhere, but HMV definitely is not locked down. HMV Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalay, 94-year-old organization, twice accredited by NAC as the best college, the highest score among colleges, recipient of DST FIST grant, DBT Star grant, and then College of Excellence by UGC Kaushal Kendra, as well as, you know, numerous other prizes, awards, and designations for HMV. Education for HMV is a religion, and education is never locked out or locked down at HMV because it's our responsibility and we are more than happy to shoulder it. Even in the lockdown, our placement cell has made all the efforts, and only day before yesterday there was this news that 11 of our girls got selected in Concentrics. Today's webinar is to help the girl students who are sitting at home, to provide them with a window for admissions, for counseling, what to do, how to do, and where to do. Today's webinar is particularly for the BBA stream in our college. Seats, dear students, are limited and on the first come, first serve basis. So I thank Principal Dr. Ajay Serene for taking this one of its own kind initiative for facilitating counseling for the girl students to sort out their confusion. A report says that 85% of youth today do not know what to do next. So Principal Ajay Serene has taken this wonderful initiative to start this counseling and to provide a window for admissions. I have with me Principal Dr. Ajay Serene and a panel of experts consisting of Madam Binu Gupta, Dr. Meenakshi, and for admission related queries, we also have Madam Meenakshi Syal. So a warm welcome to Principal Ajay Serene, the best principal. She has been awarded as the best principal.
Thank you, Dr. Anjana. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk to the viewers. Very good evening to all the viewers And I must thank Dr. Anjana and her entire team headed by Dr. Meenakshi Syal for taking this brilliant initiative, that is to start with the concept of digital counseling for the students. Dear viewers, definitely COVID-19 has given us lot of worries, lot of time to think about various issues. But if we see the silver lining has been that it has given us an opportunity to think about, to introspect. And dear viewers, you are the lucky ones who have got more time to plan the things, to plan your career rather than as compared to the other years, because earlier, as soon as the exams were over, the admission process would start. But this time you have ample time to clear your thoughts, to clear your worries, to clear your confusions. And Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalaya provides you with a platform to clear all these confusions. Dear viewers, there used to be an old dictum, ignorance is bliss, but mind it, it is no longer a bliss. Rather, it is the acquisition of the knowledge and then putting this knowledge into action. That is the dictum of today. So you are standing at crossroads nowadays, and you must have adequate information. You must have adequate knowledge as to on which path you are to move forward. If we talk about HMV, what we try to do at HMV, the name that is known to one and all, Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalaya, which was established in 1927 at Lahore, a young institute of 94 years. Dear viewers, we try to contribute to national development by fostering global competencies among our students. Our quest for excellence is supported by our value system and extensive use of technology. If we say that we are a mixture of old Vedic values and everything and anything that is emerging as new on the scenario, that would not be an exaggeration. India today has talked about us as the most innovative institute, and if we talk about Outlook magazine, it talks about us as a pioneer in doing everything. And we try to come up to the expectations of our stakeholders. Today, again, we are the pioneers in having this online counseling session so as to enable you to choose which institution is good for you, which institution can turn your dreams into reality, which institution, by the virtue of its vision and mission, can add to the national development. Not taking much time, you already know Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalaya as one of the topmost institutes of North India, with all the infrastructure facilities, with hostels, with residential facilities, to come up to the expectations of any citizen, any global student. So, not talking much, I would like to hand over to Dr. Anjana. But before that, let me say, we try to come up to your expectations. We try to fulfill the hopes which are there in your minds, and we assure you of turning your dreams into realities. We have a saga to narrate, but not the appropriate time to talk about all these things. So let me just conclude with one line only. We stand for you, we care for you, we convert your dreams into realities. Over to you, Dr. Anjana.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Yes, very well said. Dreams into reality. At HMV, we weave the dreams. At HMV, we convert your dreams into reality. And many of our alumni stand a testimony for the same. Students, it is very important time for you because, you know, you have to realize your full potential now, and your potential, you know, if it goes polished, it goes honed, it will reach the sky, and sky will definitely not be the limit to your potential. Okay, so over here, I'm going to show you a PPT. The PPT is here for you, and just a second. Here it is, our college, the aerial beautiful view of Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalaya for you. Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalaya has been in the area of education for past 94 years, and our vision, as told by Madam Principal, it is women education focusing on holistic development and empowerment, and our mission, value-oriented, skill-based, and globally competent education in sync with the nation's march towards growth and prosperity. Our alumni have been our pride and continue to be so. Our actions are speaking louder than our words. Madam Sarla Garewal, the first IAS officer, second female IAS officer, and the first lady governor of any state of India, has been our alumnus, and Madam Sumita Davra, the principal secretary to Higher Education Department, Andhra Pradesh, Bhavna Garg, another IAS officer, Mrs. Suman Lata Goyal, the general manager of UIDAI, Lieutenant Nandita Bhardwaj, who commanded the first ever naval women contingent, Harmanpreet Kaur, the captain of current cricket team of India, Mrs. Chitra Bhandari, the manager of SEBI, Mrs. Jaspreet, manager, State Bank of India, Mrs. Harjot, deputy controller, Internal Audit Organizations, Punjab, Vibhuti Sehdev, Manager, Punjab National Bank, Surbhi, Officer of Punjab National Bank, Sunita Rani, the international athletes, a galaxy of alumni there. They stand testimony for our college. Surbhi Jyoti, Gini Chatrat, the wife of famous Kapil Sharma, Binu Rajput, there goes the singers and the actresses, the authors. All of them are our proud alumni, and our college, dear students, has been serving nation for more than 90 years now and will continue to do so. For all of you listening out there, what is BBA and how can you be a part of this wonderful world? Now I'm inviting Madam Binu Gupta for further deliberance.
Thanks a lot, Dr. Anjana. Warm welcome to you, dear students and the parents who are participating in today's webinar on digital counseling on BBA course. Dear all, PG Department of Commerce and Management, the most dynamic department of Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalaya, offers you a robust academic framework, a vibrant learning ecosystem, with a global approach to education. Our department provides students with experiential learning experience and focuses on building capacity building, skill enhancement, and employability enhancement of the students. One of the courses which it has to offer is BBA. Dear students, as Principal Ma'am has rightly said, today you all are standing at crossroads after passing out +2. So which course you should study? Which course is going to be a base for good settlement in your career life? You all are facing this challenging question. And for that, ma'am has arranged this digital counseling session for you. And today we are going to present that what is BBA course, how it is going to be a perfect choice for you. But before that, my dear students, all the viewers, I would like to start with a small story. I would like to know whether you are listening to us and you are really involved in this. So please give your comments so that we make this webinar an interactive one. You give your thumbs up or any sort of an emotion or your comment in the comment box. So let's start. Imagine you had a bank account and in that rupees 86,400 is credited in the morning every day. So I think you are happy that you are having money now and you have the freedom to spend it. But there is a condition. The condition is you have to use it, you have to spend it by the day end. And if you fail to do so, bank does not allow you to carry forward this balance. Whole money in your account, the balance, whatever would be left, is going to be debited by the bank and it is going to be your loss. And when I'm saying I'm narrating this story, you feel that it is an unrealistic situation. Ma'am is telling something unrealistic. It cannot happen. 86,400 rupees is a very big amount. How this can be credited in our bank account? But dear all, God, He credits every day 86,400 seconds in our time account. And it is for us how we spend it, how we spend our time, whether wisely or lazily. This bank does not allow any overdraft, no borrowings, no lending. It's your time. If it is lost, it's lost forever. And that's it. So what is the win-win situation? What is the moral of the story? Time is precious, even more than money. And second, take your career decision wisely today. Set your priorities for your career. And how priorities are set? For that, we have to see what job potential offers, what the market wants. So let us start with what is BBA course. BBA course, as you can see, that it is a 3-year degree course. Of course, you can say it is a common course because it's just Bachelor's of Business Administration, but no, dear girls, HMV adds flavor to this course to make it a really happening one for you. So this is a course divided in 6 semesters of 6 months duration each, and a student must have passed at least +2 from recognized board, and student can be of any background. That is, she might have completed +2 arts or science. Apart from commerce students are already eligible, but even arts and science students are also eligible to opt for this Bachelor of Business Administration course. Currently, the Indian market is expanding in an accelerated pace, and it is leading to new startups and business expansions. And service industry requires candidates with sound knowledge, sound business knowledge. So let us see the insights of the course. BBA offers comprehensive understanding of the business environment and management functions. It also helps our students to learn leadership skills, critical thinking, and also problem-solving abilities are developed, which are really required in today's complex business environment. So let me again remind you, BBA is going to be a very wonderful course, a good decision, a wise decision for you. Here you can also see the curriculum which G&GU has devised, and later on we'll show you that how HMV adds advantage to it. So moving further, let me tell you what this course addresses. This course addresses to all the core functions of the business. It addresses to the administration function, human resource, sales and marketing, productions and operations, finance and accounts. All the major aspects of business are covered in this course. And it aims to develop a managerial approach among the students and starts building students' capacity from scratch. For it, soft skills are very crucial. So, building soft skills, how it is possible? And what are soft skills? Soft skills are communication skills, problem solving skills, leadership skills, working in team, that is team building or teamwork, emotional intelligence, and of course, ethics too. You know, soft skills nowadays are very significant. Of course, it have a good impact upon your attitude, and side by side, they are important for relationship management too. And we at HMB inculcate all these skills by organizing training programs through experts. We invite experts by adopting innovative teaching pedagogy, by conducting mock interviews, by playing management games, and also by conducting group discussions. So I can say BBA course is a holistic path inclined towards management. Human resource management to marketing management, functional management to production and operations management, and of course, sales and advertising management too. So in nutshell, I can say it prepares you for the whole aspect of management, that is, you learn how to get the thing done through others and with others. It prepares you to take up any profession in any field of management. And I can say that BBA is a perfect combination of theory, practical, and personality development. Theory is covered as per the syllabus, but of course, with an added HMB flavor. Practical part is covered by field visits, case study discussion, role playing, group discussions, seminars, quizzes, and of course, by the presentations and the tasks which are given to the students, the assignments. And all this lead to the personality development of our students. Clearly, girls, BBA is one of the most promising and versatile career. And it is going to be a very good decision for you because it is going to open multiple opportunities for you. So with that, I thank, and now my friend, Dr. Anjana, would take up again from here. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Binu. Yes, listening to you, I really want to do BBA. Well, thank you, Binu. And students, we would be more than happy to address your questions here, and we would like to take your feedback, your comments over here. So please feel free to ask questions. Experts are here to answer your doubts. I'm taking you a little forward into the world of Bachelors of Business Administration. Who should actually do BBA? Who amongst you should actually go for this? We all must realize what our aptitude is. They say that अगर बूंद पानी की ली जाए, अगर बूंद गिरती है समंदर में तो वो अपना अस्तित्व खो देगी, पर वही बूंद अगर जाके गिरती है किसी पत्ते के ऊपर तो वो मोती सी चमकती है. तो we have to realize our potential here. A student having aptitude for entrepreneurship, for developing marketing skills, for developing leadership skills. Today, it is the time of startups. Today is the time of entrepreneurship. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also says that be a job provider rather than a job seeker. So if you have that in you, that aptitude in you, BBA is the in thing for you. Enhancing communication skills. They teach you good communication skills so that you come up superbly polished. Then curiosity to learn things practically, not just theoretically. If you want to go into a practical aspect of the subject, BBA is the course for you. Now, what are the HMV initiatives for polishing you young girls? HMV has always taken steady steps towards women empowerment, and it has tie-ups with institutes like IIM Calcutta. And in collaboration with IIM Calcutta, workshops have been organized, and workshops on entrepreneurship. I'm very happy to tell you that 7 of our students were selected from this workshop to represent us at IIM Kozhikode, and they also took steady steps ahead. One of our students, Muskan Virdi, who did her MCom from HMV, she went ahead and became a part of Indian Institute of Management family. Well, numerous workshops to hone your skills, to polish you, are regularly organized. Even startup summits are organized, boot camps are organized, so that you know how to bring up ideas, how to turn those ideas into plans, into business plans, and how to get the maximum profit from your ideas. And in HMV, it is not just the theory. The theory is always converted into practicals. Annual trade fair, that is a regular feature, and this trade fair is organized solely by the students of postgraduate department of commerce and management, where the students learn the marketing skills, the entrepreneurial skills, and they earn a lot, actually learn a lot and earn a lot. So students, they represent the trade fair. They are they are the blood and soul of this trade fair, and they sell everything which is, there under the roof. And they develop their marketing skills through various competitions, advertisement competitions, AdMad shows are organized. And even in inter-college AdMad shows, our students are always the winners because of the training they have. Regular field visits to various banks, to various, industries are organized, so that students are tailor-made and they are made ready for the industry, and the industry academia gap is filled, and students get the best. They get the best of the skills to be able to take up the industry by its horns. Things are learned practically by the celebration of important days like income tax days. Students play roles and they learn from the roles what is job offering for them. Next, what are the future prospects of BBA and other career options? BBA has huge future prospects, and a bright shining future is waiting for you if you're taking up BBA as your course. So what are the options? First of all, as I told you, Muskan Virdi, our student who did her MCom from here in HMV, she went ahead and became a part of the Indian Institute of Management family. So you can always go for MCom, and then you can go for other streams like PGDBM and sharpen your skills there. What are the employment areas for a student of BBA? Banks, first of all, marketing organizations, MNCs, multinational companies have been selecting the students from our campus. The BBA students have been selected by various multinational companies, financial organizations, and export companies. Also, many BBA students also find their market, abroad. They also get huge placement abroad also. So job roles, what are the job roles that students can take up? They can go for the sales and marketing executives. That sounds good. And then human resource executive, operations management, and of course, entrepreneurs. So over here, I'll take a break from BBA and tell you why HMV. Why should you choose HMV as your college? Students, I know that today there are lakhs and lakhs of colleges, and many thousands of them are offering commerce. But let me tell you, commerce at HMV has been recognized as one of the best. We do not say that famous newspapers and magazines have placed the Department of Commerce amongst top 10 departments of India. So here the award speaks for itself. HMV has received ASSOCHAM award twice now. Twice means first we were honored by ASSOCHAM for our excellence in social responsibility, and then ASSOCHAM also recognized and honored us. Us means Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalaya, for skill development courses. So over here, I would like to add that in HMV, we have a number of skill development courses, and BBA also builds your entrepreneurial skills. And similarly, FICCI FICCI has recognized and adjudged us as best college amongst all the women colleges of India for excellence in creative and performing arts, as well as for performing our institutional social responsibility duties well. Outlook, the famous magazine, amongst the India's best colleges, it calls HMV as the excellent college, where excellence is the catchphrase. And our principal in World Women Congress, she was recognized as the excellent woman. She received the Nadia Murad Women Excellency Award, which recognizes women from all over the world. And the principal of this college, Dr. Ajay Serene, was chosen for this award, and she carried forward the legacy of this college. Similarly, she was the recipient of Peace Prize, Mahatma Gandhi Peace Prize, the Iron Lady Award. The college keeps on organizing many workshops, many seminars, international conferences in its campus, as well as it goes, it collaborates with other institutes and goes forward in abroad also to organize conferences and workshops. Here, once again, for our social conscience, we were awarded by the district administration, and HMV is known for its sports. It has the proud honor of contributing maximum marks for GNDU Marker Trophy for a record 14 number of times. We keep on organizing various competitions so that students, they keep on honing their skills, they keep on polishing, and when they pass out from this college, they are gems of the nation. Many collaborations, many MOUs with reputed industrial houses, corporation houses, academic institutions speak for themselves so that our students get the best of both the worlds. As I told you, Marker Trophy, and this is our HMV, the aerial view of the campus. Students, I would tell you that seats are limited in Bachelor's of Business Administration, and it is the right time for you to take up this course and take admission. For that, you can follow us on Facebook for further updates. The Facebook page is right here. You can also go on the Facebook page and fill up the registration form. So over here, may I invite now Mr. Ujjwal, so that we can show you certain videos which stand testimony for our alumni and our college, the legacy of our college. So over to Mr. Ujjwal Chugh right here. Before I wind up, I would like to tell you all that only 2 days back, Concentrix, the multinational company, chose 11 of our girls, and we feel very happy and very proud of them, so that they are taking up their career ahead, and HMV has given them wings to fly forward. So over to you, Mr. Ujjwal. And yes, meanwhile, you can give your questions, dear students. You can give your comments. Experts are right here. I can ask the questions. Your questions can be here.
We have received certain questions. We can see those.
Yeah.
Let us see.
So, okay, one question is here. Pallavi has asked, I want to do BBA. Please guide me.
Yes, dear Pallavi. Very nice decision, very good decision you have taken, because this is the demand of the situation. What is required is that a business organization wants that a person whom they hire, she should be, or the candidate should be equipped with multifaceted personality and various skills. And all these things could be had or could be learned by adopting this course, BBA. So if the thing is, after your result is out, you will be having to register the form, as Anjana ma'am has told. You can fill the form right now and you can register yourself. And then after lockdown, of course, the next process will start, but your registration is essential. And BBA course is going to be a good experience for you. One thing is sure, but the thing is, one more question, I'm finding it over here. I'm finding it 2 times I have read this about the placement also. Of course, this will be your somewhere in your mind also, that what about the placement scenario? So just now Anjana ma'am told that placement scenario is also good. The students are given freedom that many companies, many organizations, they visit, they do the campus placement only, they visit HMV, they conduct interviews, and you are having a choice also that to which interview you wish to appear. And once you are selected, you are placed. I would like to quote example of one of our student, Garima Arya. You know, many students, they say that we wish to pursue higher education also, whether job prospects after BBA are there or not. Job prospects are also there, but of course higher education is another way. It is your bend of mind what you want to choose. But after BBA, sure, if your potential you prove, you get good marks, good in you develop all the skills, you're surely going to be placed too in a better organization.
Yes,
So
we know,
Anjana ma'am, any other?
Yeah, absolutely right. And I would like to add up here that many students get selected even before their final semester is over. And
Yes,
because,
yes, very true, very
yeah,
true.
and
Yeah,
BBA, you know, it owns them for the industry. It bridges the industry academia gap, and students are tailor-made for the industry. Banking industry is one very good option for students over here. And one question is coming up from Ishan Saxena. My sister wants to do PBA. Please guide.
yes, the same one, the Pallavi, the same thing, same response, no?
Yeah.
Avinash also, the
And
same
then
question.
there is another
Pallavi,
question from
yeah,
Surabhi
Vikram,
Jain. Surabhi is
Vikram.
saying if student is from arts stream, then what she has to do extra to compete with commerce students, as she
I
has no
think
knowledge.
a very good question. And let me tell you, beta, let me know her name. She is Surbi Jain.
Yeah.
Yeah, Surbi. So if you're listening, please, this is going to be a good choice for you, beta. But business administration, it is going to make you a commerce graduate afterwards. And you have asked what extra I have to compete with the commerce students because you are not having any knowledge of accounts. Getting knowledge of accounts is not that difficult provided you have a wish and a will to learn. And you know, in the first semester itself, we have basic accounting part. And teachers, they make students thorough because BBA is opted by students of other streams too. So the academic support is provided by the teachers, by the faculty in such a way that they make all your doubts or all your concepts very clear about the basic accounting. And then in the second sem, you are having a computer based accounting system. Let me tell you, students, that we at HMV, we provide you with all the support, with all the help that you are able to learn. We have very good labs over here, and the practicals are conducted, and you are made computer proficient. You can handle the accounts of the concern. And one thing more I would like to add over here, even some of our students, they prefer to work under earn while you learn scheme in the college itself after learning these computer skills of accounting. So it's a very good choice. You come up, and anything later on also during after taking admission you would like to take help, I'm always available for you. 24/7 accessibility. So
Thank you.
no
Thank you,
problem with
Pooja.
that.
Thank you. And our placement officer, Mr. Gulagong Singh, he was a part of this. He is a part of this webinar, and he has sent a comment. Institution is providing definitely very good options in all types of companies for BBA students at present, and many students are under the process of Wipro, which will soon take up those students. And there is another company which is interested in our students and taking them up. So
one thing I forgot to say, mention, I would like to add, bridge courses are also organized for students of art and science who wish to
yeah,
take up commerce.
yes,
We
yes.
do these bridge courses
are
of
there.
short duration are, yes,
So
they
all
are
the
organized.
from various other streams who are coming for BBA course, you will be given a short bridge course, of course, at no extra cost at HMV. The bridge course will train you to be a participant of and to take up the BBA course. And for students who are from far off places, let me tell you that HMV has excellent, safe, secure hostel facilities, which is I can say with pride that it is one of the best in the entire region. There are 3 different types of hostels: Ojasvi, Kirti, Pragati, and fully air conditioned rooms are also there. When well ventilated rooms are there if you do not want the option of air conditioner. So
Okay, one question I have got. The student is asking that BBA we can do from any institute. Why HMV or why from an institution like HMV? The thing is, I would like to answer to this student. She has sent me WhatsApp message, Ritu, that beta, remember, for good earning, you should do good learning. You should learn if you want to earn, and that good learning is provided by HMV. So institution matters a lot. And of course, the whole saga of our grand alumni, which was related to you by Dr. Ranjana, it stands to the testimony that yes, where all they have made their international presence. और अगर आप में भी काबिलियत हुई तो बेटा आप भी बन जाओगे, और इंस्टीट्यूशन का फर्क जरूर पड़ता है. इफ नॉट HMV, मैं फिर वही कहूंगी, if you don't take decision now, then when? If it's not now, then when? And if it is not here, then where? Yes.
Thank you for rhyming up, Binu ma'am. We have Kanika Puneet Chopra, our very dear alumnus with us, and she has joined this webinar and she has written a beautiful comment. HMV, kudos to HMV for always inspiring and motivating young minds. Proud to be an HMVN. Thank you, Puneet. Thank you for being here, and a big hello to you and a shout out to you. And all our successful alumni are joining this webinar. I say a big welcome to them, and we love you very much. You are, so we are, so you are. Thank you very much, our family, HMV family over there. And I also want to talk here about some value-added courses also. HMV is also giving you many value-added courses which you can do side by side, so that when you go out into the world of competition, into the world of marketing, you are well trained. Competitive exam coaching is given. There is a competitive cell here which trains you for various competitive exams, so that you're not left behind in any situation. And this is a win-win situation for you, and HMV suits every pocket. This is one thing. World-class infrastructure, and it suits the pocket. It is.
Yes, they can take up a 360-degree virtual tour of our institute. The website provides this link. They can take a virtual tour to our organization. And one thing more, you come to college, you give us your time from 8:45 to, let's say, 2:15 or 2:30. And you can even join other courses, as Anjana ma'am has said. Even you can join training courses for the banking exam, for the various competitive exams, and you can go back home by nearly 4 o'clock and all that with so much knowledge packed, and no need to move here and there.
Thank you, Binu ma'am.
One roof providing many solutions. That is HMV.
I want to mention here that the value-added courses, they are being provided in your timetable only. So you do not need to overstay your timetable. Timetable is so made that you get to have your competitive classes, and you also get to have your value courses here. And plus, transportation facility is wonderful in HMV. There are a fleet of buses which ferry students from their homes safely into our campus, and at a very, very nominal rate, transportation facility is provided. So that really means that once you choose HMV, you are going to get a full package of so many things. जैसे कहते हैं हींग लगे ना फटकरी, रंग चोखा ही चोखा. Yes, Binu ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
And
One more
many
question,
scholarships, many subsidies are given to students. Last
Yes,
last year only, I think scholarships worth 1 crores were given to students, so that no one is left behind. Actually, many students who are not able to pay their fees, but they are very meritorious. They have great benefit of many types of scholarships, not only government scholarships. There are college scholarships, there are scholarships by many philanthropists, and book bank facility is also there in the college, so that you can get books to study. You get free internet Wi-Fi 24/7 in the campus, and wonderful library facilities which is open for you, and the whole world of knowledge and the whole world of, actually, the sky is the limit, right, Veenu ma'am?
Yeah, and the one thing more is that in our department, we do give personalized attention to the students. In case they want to have their doubts cleared, the queries, I think the students, they have easy accessibility to all the teachers at any time, and they can clear off your doubts. And even the teachers are acting as good mentors too, because we do get the feedback of the students.
Yeah,
So,
Divya
of
Rhoda is
course.
here. Divya Rhoda, I can see her comment here. She has said she's, I think, our alumni. Divya is,
Yeah.
it is important to learn, to earn. Institution does matter. Proud to be a part of HMV. Thank you, Divya. Thank you. Big
Thank
shout
you,
out to
thank
them.
you, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, one more question I have received from a student. I'm getting it on my WhatsApp, directly. Some student, Sonia,
Yeah.
she is writing that, ma'am, is it mandatory for doing post-graduation after BBA?
Oh, no, it's
So,
not mandatory. Yes, Veenu
yeah.
ma'am, please continue. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, the thing is, BBA itself is a course that makes you ready to enter into the job field. Of course, your start would be on the as a management trainee or on the executive post, and later on, with your hard work, you can rise up higher in the organization to the managerial levels. But if you want a direct entry at a higher level, of course, something extra needs to be added. So I think that makes the thing clear. Professional degree, of course, after BBA, if you go for MCOM, our students, they are placed in banks. So they are enjoying their positions. We wish to show you certain testimonies, but they'll be uploaded directly on the Facebook because of some technical error. They are not being played just now, but later on we'll be uploading on the Facebook page, and you can see that the students, they are happy with the course, and they are doing well in their lives. So BBA is a great choice once again.
And see, this is one comment I have received. They say there is a movie called Final Destination. Well, HMV, the final destination.
Yeah, very good.
Some students are asking if they want to seek guidance for some other courses apart from BBA. What should they do? Well, over here, I feel very happy in telling you that we will continue this series of webinars. Today, we are starting with BBA. There are so many other options available at HMV, and we will be very happy to guide you and to tell you about various, options available at HMV. So keep tuned in and keep us posted. Keep writing your comments, keep asking questions, so that we can keep arranging webinars for you. Soon we'll arrange another webinar, and we will notify you.
Yeah, sure.
All those students who want to register now, it is an important message for them. You can go to the FB page, and you can register. There is a Google form over there. You can register yourself directly. As I told you, that seats are limited, and for especially during these days, we are giving the first come first serve basis. So Be
And
fast.
the link is in this video, video post only, in this live video post. The link
Yes,
is only in this.
we do
So they
have
should quickly fill the
once
form.
again sharing. Yeah.
Hmm.
Can I have the screen so that I can show the link? Okay, thank you for your questions. Webinar is still open, and please see this link. Yeah, you can visit our college website first, www.hrmmv, Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalay. So hrmmv.org, and on the top right corner, there is an option, important links. If you click the important link part, in important links, you'll click the registration form for students of the college and 2020-21, and you can fill the form and submit. It is as simple as that. Currently, you just register yourself, you just book your seat, no fees being charged. Just visit the website, go to the top right corner, go to the important link section, and click on the registration form, fill the form, submit it, and there you go. There you have entered the world of possibilities.
Anjana ma'am, I have received a query from Malika Davar. She got my phone number from the our HMV, and then she has sent me the WhatsApp message. She says, "Hello ma'am, I wanted to ask one question regarding BBA. Which is, and how is BBA different from BCom, and which one is better?" Yes, this was a much expected question, and I was waiting that why our students have not yet posted this query. And thanks to you, because through you this message will go. Let me tell you, beta, if your number one, let us take various situations. Firstly, is your choice to be a chartered accountant? You decide. Or you want to be company secretaries. So in that case, I will suggest you that you should pursue BCom, because all the subjects which are being, BCom is having something more additional relating to GST. The GST part is not covered in BBA yet. Of course, the training to students is given. We train students because we organize workshop on GST, and these BBA students also become a part of it. But GST is a part of curriculum of BCom. And then certain other aspects like auditing or corporate governance, they are taken up in, that all the things which are required or which are a part of the syllabus of these two professional courses, they are covered under the Bachelor of Commerce, that is BCom course. They are not covered under BBA. Of course, the workshops or the seminars, even BBA students can attend. Let me tell you again. And what to say, which one is better? The thing is, for this, you are the best person to decide, because firstly, you decide which way you want to go. If you want to end up into these professional lines, then of course the choice is going to be BCom. But of course, one thing more, from HMV only. It's from us. It's from here. And then if your choice is to enter into just that you want to join MNCs, you want to do jobs, you want to go abroad, you want to get settled. Many students of our have passed through this BBA only, through this passage, and they have entered up their jobs. They are doing good jobs in MNCs. So I think I have made this clear. You can send me the WhatsApp message again. And if you are not satisfied, then also you can tell so that I should go further. Yes.
Thank you, Binu.
Waiting for your response, Malika Davar. Thanks a lot for being with us.
Over here, I would like to mention one thing, that how many of you, and many of you, I think, have seen the famous movie Dream Girl. Well, the movie is starring Ayushmann Khurrana and all those actors, the famous names. But the very, very important part of the movie is the creative team. And I'm very happy to share with you over here that the creative head of Dream Girl movie is our alumnus, and our alumnus of this very department, PG Department of Commerce and Management, Madam Rachna Puri. She is the creative head of the movie Dream Girl and many other movies of HMV, of Bollywood. She is our very, very shining alumnus, and many such alumni stand a testimony to the wonderful training that is being given at HMV, the postgraduate Department of Commerce and Management, the BBA course. And one more very quick query is here regarding the hostels. Once again, the hostel facility for the boarders. I've already told you, dear students, that hostel facility at HMV is par excellence. We provide 3 different kinds of hostels here, 3 different, buildings are there, which is Svikirti and Pragati. We have well ventilated rooms, excellent food, excellent hygiene. We take care of your health here. There is a college health facility. There is a gym in the hostel. There is a reading room in the hostel. So the hostel facility is, if not at home, the next best place to be is at HMV Hostel. So it is a home away from home, and you'll find the world-class infrastructure in HMV hostels. So come be a part of this world. We are waiting for you, and let's be a family, right? So over here, I think we should wind up.
Yes, before winding up, I would like to thank the future HMVians because and of course, I would like to and love to teach these lovely students who have witnessed the webinar today. So I wish you luck and wish we meet in the corridors of HMV very soon. So over to you, Anjana ma'am.
Thank you very much. HMV is a wonderful place to be. Students, I would like you to go to our Facebook page and various other social sites of HMV and see the green environs of HMV. We have posted a video regarding how green and how beautiful HMV is. And
I have got that response from the student Malika Davar. May I read that response? She said, "Thanks a lot, ma'am, for answering my question. I was really confused, but now I'm satisfied. I'm definitely going for BBA and from HMV only."
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
I congratulate you, beta, for making really a very good decision, and the others too who are filling up the forms right now.
Yeah, very quickly, I'll read up the comments. Jagpreet Singh is saying, awesome initiative. Please keep this up. HMV is a premier institute for girls. Satinder Maan is saying, wonderful college. Audacious Nitika is saying, HMV is the best. Thank you, girls. Thank you out there. We are very happy to receive your love, and keep giving, keep taking, keep sharing. Before I wind up, I would like Madam Principal for a closing note, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Anjana, for being such a beautiful, such a patient moderator. I think the queries of some of the people who were with us throughout this, they have been answered. Rest have already been noted, and I would request the experts to deal with all the queries at the personal level. Thank you so much, Dr. Anjana, the entire team who was working on the screen and behind the screen for making this webinar a success. Thanks to the innovations that take place at HMV, and thanks to all the future HMVians who are going to be the part of HMV family. Thank you so very much. And with this thumbs up sign and a victory sign, may we come out of this COVID-19 soon. And as Binu said, may we meet very soon in the corridors, in the lawns of Hansraj Mahila Mahavidyalaya. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. And waiting to see you all soon. Keep yourself posted for, other webinars are coming up. We have planned a series of webinars to deal with your issues, your anxieties related to your career. And keep Keep yourself attached, connected to our Facebook page, and have a great day and great times ahead. Thank you all. Thank you very much.